Hey crypto crew! Just made a monster trade on Kraken and you're ready to celebrate with some real-world cash? Hold on a second, can you actually withdraw USD on Kraken, or are you stuck playing the crypto game forever? This is a question that pops up surprisingly often, so let's dive in and get you that answer. We'll also explore some of the ins and outs of USD withdrawals on Kraken, so you can move your money smoothly and securely. Fiat on the ramp, understanding funding methods. Before we get to USD specifically, let's take a quick step back. Kraken, like most crypto exchanges, operates in two worlds, the wild west of cryptocurrencies and the more traditional world of fiat currency, like USD. To get started on Kraken, you need to deposit funds, usually in fiat, to buy crypto. There are various ways to do this, depending on your location and preferences. Some common methods include bank transfers, wire transfers, and even credit card deposits, though these often come with higher fees. The withdrawal flip side. Now, when it's time to cash out those crypto gains, the process flips. You'll initiate a withdrawal request, converting your cryptocurrency back into USD and then transferring it to your bank account or another fiat destination. This is where the question of USD withdrawals on Kraken comes in. The good news, yes, you can withdraw USD. Here's the answer you've been waiting for. Yes, Kraken absolutely allows USD withdrawals. So, breathe easy, crypto champions. You can take your hard-earned profits and put them towards that dream vacation, a new car, or whatever your heart desires. Exploring the withdrawal process, a step-by-step, kind of. The specific withdrawal process can vary slightly depending on your location and the withdrawal method you choose. However, the general steps are: log into your Kraken account and head over to the funding section. Select Withdraw and choose USD as the currency. Pick your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or wire transfer. Each method might have its own minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, so be sure to check those before proceeding. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and the details of your receiving account, like your bank account number. Double-check everything for accuracy because, as with any financial transaction, mistakes can be costly. Submit your withdrawal request and wait for it to be processed. A heads up, fees and processing times. There's no free lunch in the world of finance, and Kraken withdrawals are no exception. You'll incur fees associated with the withdrawal process. These fees can vary depending on the chosen withdrawal method and your location. Always check the current fee schedule on Kraken before initiating a withdrawal to avoid any surprises. Processing times will also differ based on the method. Bank transfers can take a few business days, while wire transfers might be a bit quicker. Security first, keeping your USD withdrawal safe. Kraken takes security seriously, and so should you. Here are a few things to keep in mind when withdrawing USD. Double and triple check your withdrawal details before submitting the request. A typo in your bank account number could mean your money goes somewhere unexpected. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized withdrawals. Beware of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or enter your Kraken login credentials on an unfamiliar website. By following these simple security tips, you can ensure your USD withdrawal goes smoothly and lands safely in your account. Kraken considerations: not all fiat is equal. While Kraken allows USD withdrawals, it's important to note that not all fiat currencies are supported. So, if you're dealing in euros, yen, or another currency, you might need to convert it to USD before withdrawing. The wrap-up: Kraken and your USD lifeline. So, there you have it. You can definitely withdraw USD on Kraken, giving you the flexibility to move your crypto gains into the real world. Just remember to factor in fees and processing times, prioritize security, and be aware of supported fiat currencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.